Hi everyone, this is Rhea May Bayani, one of the Week 12 presenter, and I was tasked to make a presentation regarding the question number 7 in the quiz access for the Week 12. And for this problem, we have given here regarding the DS company. Okay, I'm going to walk you through my presentation this time. So it was stated here that Diaz company owns a machine that costs $125,600 and has accumulated depreciation of $94,400. Prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1 in each separate situation. So we have 4 situations here. First is record disposal of the machine receiving nothing in return. And the next one is record the sale of the machine for 16,700 cash. And the third one is record the sale of the machine for $31,200 cash. And for the last one is record the sale of the machine for 41,700 cash. Okay, so now I'm going to start with question number 1 or situation number 1. So as you have seen, it's all about the machine. So we're going to talk about how to dispose the machine, how to make an entry for the machine disposal. So in the first problem, the DS company won't receive anything. Okay, so in the given situation, first is they owned a machine cost of $125,600 and its accumulated depreciation is $94,400. Let's see if the DS company has its gain on its sale or it has a loss. Okay, so first I've made a drop down list here, just like same as the question there in our quiz access. So first, I'm going to debit the accumulated depreciation, which is the machine here. And then the amount will be 94,400. So as you have seen, it was stated here. Here, accumulated depreciation, which is 94,400. The next will be, okay, I'm going to see next. I'm going to put the machine first. Machine here. The cost of the machine, we're going to put in a credit side, which is the 125,600. Here, this is the cost of the machine. So 94,400 and 125,600, there's a difference between the two. So the DS company has a loss on disposal of machine. So we're going to put the loss of disposal of machine and it costs 31,200 because I just subtracted the one. Okay, going to I'm going to make a calculation here. 125,000 just to show you how did I make up the 31,200. So 125,600 minus 94,400. Okay, there, 31,200. So I'm going to delete that one. So this is the entry for the first one, which is the recording for the machine, but the DS company won't have anything from its disposal. Okay, let's proceed to the second one. So in this situation is the DS company will receive $16,700 in cash. So of course, in the first part, we will debit. Okay, we will enter the cash. Okay, debit the amount, which is 16,700. And the next one is Okay, we're going to see what is going to be the next for the cash. Let's put or here, accumulated depreciation for the machine, which costs 14,500. Oops, no, yes, accumulated depreciation, which is the amount for this one is 94,400. Sorry for that one. And the for the machine, it costs eh, of course the constant amount, which is 125,600. So there's a difference. There's still a difference between we got 125,600 and the debited amount. So let's have a calculation here. 125,600. Sorry for that one. 125,600 less 16,700 less 94,400. So there's a difference. The amount is 14,500. So what will be this one? Is it a loss or a gain? So of course, it's a loss. So it's loss on sale of machine because they sold the machine but they didn't meet the amount of the exact amount of the machine that they bought it from the beginning. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, let's proceed to, by the way, this is the entry for the second problem. And for the next one, the third one, the problem will be record the sale of the machine for 3,200 cash. So I'm going to enter first the 3,200 cash. Okay, so this will be, oops, oh, sorry. Here, the cash, the accumulated depreciation. This is constant, which is 94,400, and for the machine is, before that one, let's calculate this one first. What will be the result? So 94,400 plus, which is accumulated depreciation, plus the cash that they receive, 31,200 equals to 125,600. So it is equal to the amount of the machine or the cost of the machine. So therefore, they meet the amount that they've invested for this machine. So 125,600. So there's no loss and there's no gain in this situation. And so this is the entry for the third situation. And for the last one, we are tasked to record the sale of the machine for $41,700. So $41,700 for cash. There. That just debited the amount. Then the accumulated depreciation, which is the constant, and also the constant cost, $94,400. So let's calculate again. 41,700 plus 94,400 equals to 136,000. The cost of the machine is just only 125,600. Okay, let's enter the machine amount first, which is 125,600. So 125, this one, less 125,600 equals to 10,500 Yes, 10,500. So it's a gain. So since it's a gain, where is it? Gain on sale of machine. So since this one is the total for this one is 136,100 and the total for the credit side is only 125,600, and since it's a gain, so therefore we're going to put the amount of 10,500 on the credit side. So 10,500. As you can see, it's all balance in the credit side and also in the debit side. Just take note that if it's a gain on sale of machine, going to put it in the credit side, and if it's a lose, then going to put it in the debit side. Going to make sure that everything are in balance. So before I'm going to close my presentation, yeah, I just deleted that one. So I guess this is all my presentation. Hope you enjoy my presentation and you've learned something from my presentation too. And have a good day, everyone.